Alright guys, this video is designed to show you how to create a QR code using Canva for free. I just wanted to log into Canva real quick here, and then at the top right corner you're going to click on Create a Design. I usually go for logo size just because it's easier to start with a larger QR code than what you need and to shrink it to size than to have one that's too small for what you need and try to stretch it out, just because it can look distorted if you start with something that's too small and try to stretch it into something bigger. Just a word of advice from a designing perspective. So I'm going to use a logo because it is 500 by 500 pixels. And we'll start with that. And it's going to give us a blank square here to create our QR code. So now that we're in the creative design and our logo, on the bottom left here where it says more, we're going to click there and you'll see QR code from the list down at the bottom. From here, it's going to ask you for the actual link that when somebody scans your QR code, you want them to be directed to this link. So it can be your website, it can be your calendar link, it can be your social media link. So wherever you want to direct somebody with the QR code, this is your opportunity to drop that link here. So for this example, we're just going to use my notary website that I use for my signing agent, just a landing page that's informational, so that I have something for people to access when they go online and they look me up. So I'm going to put that link here. You can copy it from wherever you'd like. And then I'm going to click on Generate Code. And it's that simple. It literally pops that QR code directly on the logo. And what I'm doing now is stretching it out to fill the entire space of the 500 by 500 pixels. Also note that now that you've created your code, it automatically puts a copy of your QR code into Canva for you. So it's almost like it uploads that as an element for you to now go ahead and turn around and use this QR code to place onto any future designs, whether it's a flyer, whether it's your ID badge, whether it's a business card. This QR code can now be used and placed on anything, whether it's in Canva or outside of Canva. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to save this to your device, not just in Canva. So we're going to go up here to the top right corner. Before we do that, you'll notice here that it's showing us an untitled design and it's a logo. So I'm just going to put QR code or my QR code, whatever you want to name it. And this is just so you have a reference and you don't stick the wrong QR code somewhere. So now that your QR code has a name, we're going to go ahead and click download. It's saying that the PNG is the suggested file type for it to download as. So go ahead and go with that suggested type. You don't have to do anything here except click download, and now it's saving your QR code to your computer or your device. And it's that simple. Now, again, when you want to go ahead and place this QR code onto a design, you now have access to it, and it is saved in Canva for you. So I hope this video was helpful. Try to keep it under 5 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to message me in the Etsy shop. And again, we are Best Life Studios on Etsy, serving all of your branding and notary marketing needs.